Diane here with Owl's Treasures. So today we're making Avobath, which is a Lush type from Be Scented. I am doing a rainbow, so all of my colors are from the conservatory. Pouring in my lye solution. I will say I'm not personally a fan of this scent. Well, this turned out nice. Got a little bit of soda ash on it. Smells nice. I've never smelled the Avobath, so I cannot say if it smells the same, but it does smell nice. That's pretty. Still a little soft, not too bad. Colors are not quite as distinct as I would like, but it's still pretty. Well, that one turned out nice. Like that one. Well, if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you would like to see more, if you'd like to be notified when I put another video up, hit the bell. If you know others who would like to see the video, please share. And if you would like to, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'm very pretty. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a really good day. I do have an Instagram if you want to follow me there as well. That's very unusual.